Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change color image to black and white in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change color image to black and white. Firstly we insert a color image. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Now we can see here many colorable image. Now we choose a color image from our file. Now I select this image and insert it. We can see here we insert a colorable image. Now we want to change this color image to black and white. Click the image and go to the format menu. Then click color option and we can see here this color to black and white effect. Now we can see here this black and white and we select this black and white 15%. Now we can see here we change the color image to black and white image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.